going to see how the exhaust looks. It's going to start out just at idle, then I'm going to rev it up to 2,000 RPMs. See how that goes out. The white smoke, I expected. It's like I said, 39 degrees out here, man. It's cold. Alright guys, what I'm going to try to attempt to do here is a vacuum test on the engine on the Dodge. I'm trying to either verify or eliminate the idea it might be a catalytic converter. I'm going to start the engine, let it run on its own. It's going to stall very shortly. Okay, I'm going to let it stall. I'm going to restart it. I'm going to try to keep it at 2,000 RPMs for a short period of time. And I'm going to take my foot off the gas suddenly and let it stall. And then I'm going to start it a third time, keep it running a little bit. I'm going to punch it 2 or 3 times and see what kind of a reading we get. It should shoot down to 0 and back to wherever it is. Alright guys, here we go. Alright boys, we'll see, diagnose that and tell me what